habitually breathing too much air into the lungs contributes to the cooling and the drying of the airway walls. And depending on genetic predisposition, this can aggravate the airways, causing the airways to inflame and to narrow, resulting in asthma symptoms of wheezing, coughing, increased mucus and breathlessness. Overbreathing means that we are breathing in excess of our metabolic requirements of the body at the time. In other words, we are just breathing too much, leading to dysfunctional breathing. And signs of dysfunctional breathing include breathing through the mouth, hearing your breathing during rest, sighing regularly, yawning with big breaths, and a lot of upper chest movement and just lots of visible movement when we breathe. So the first step for any asthma sufferer is to switch to breathing through the nose. When breathing through the nose, we not only regulate the temperature of the air we breathe, we filter it, we moisten it, and we also optimize a gas called nitric oxide that is produced and released into the nasal cavity. And we carry nitric oxide into the lungs, which plays an important role in opening and closing the airways. When breathing volume is corrected towards normal by breathing through the nose and practicing breathing gently, quietly, and light, we take in a higher concentration of nitric oxide into the lungs and the airways re-expand, resulting in a significant reduction of asthma symptoms, improved asthma control, and a reduced need for medication. And another important gas that plays a role in this process is carbon dioxide. This diagram here that was published in the New England Journal of Medicine shows that airway hypocapnia, which basically means low carbon dioxide, also causes the smooth muscle to constrict, which causes increased mucus. So we breathe harder and faster, and this contributes to hyperventilation, which feeds back into the system. This is another loop we are trying to break as we heal from asthma. So as we increase our tolerance to carbon dioxide by changing our breathing, this also helps with expanding the airways. There are a number of published studies listed on our website that demonstrate significant reductions to asthma symptoms and significant improvements to asthma control, with a number of trials showing a 70% reduction in the need for asthma reliever medication and a 50% reduction in the need for asthma steroid medication. So we can halve the need for medications simply by changing our breathing. And for many people like myself, chronic asthma can completely resolve. The first step that you can start doing now is to switch from mouth breathing to nose breathing as much as you possibly can. And then contact us if you would like help with doing this and further optimizing your breathing to heal from asthma.